fucking jump.
Alrighty, shoe believers, welcome back to the ozone. Let's get this one underway. Couldn't find the box for these, but I know I got it somewhere around here. I'm going to put the name down in the description. As you can see, I have these in my little Ziploc bag. I just took these out of my old wearing section. Let's get this shoe up here for you guys. So, Jordan 312. Like I said, I can't remember the name. I think this is Medicine Ball or something. Like I said, I'm going to put the name in the description below, so check it out. Making more space in my rooms for Jordans. Other assorted shoes, so I have to go through these. I need to go and to my storage unit and find a box for it. Like I said, not a bad shoe. It's one of the best 312s in my opinion. Another Just Don version. If you didn't see my video on the Air Trainers 2s, go back and check those out, the Bo Jacksons. This shoe was made up of a Jordan 1, the Bo Jacksons in my opinion, and the Jordan 2s. Some people say it's a different shoe. But those shoes are basically identical. See it on the bottom, I have on my grip protectors and my sole shield. Like I said, this is a wearing pair. I think I might have only wore it once or twice, but I have a couple wearing pairs of these. See on the tongue says Just Don Medicine Ball or whatever, toe box. Like I said, I'm going to put the name down in the description. Let me show you guys the strap as well. Overall, in my opinion, not a bad shoe. See, brown all leather mudguard. This is all leather material to the elephant print. More leather on the side with the suede blue Nike swoosh. Now to the leather again, to a little blue. I call it Obsidian, I guess, maybe True Blue still. They just released those True Blue ones. To the outsole, normal Jordan 3, all white. Get to the back of the shoe, you have the Jumpman Air or Air Jumpman with a little like a faded salmon. Well, not faded salmon, but let's just say a faded white eggshell backdrop on there with the True Blue or Obsidian again. A little bit more of that brown. The leather quality on this shoe is just so good, guys. It's like high quality leather pocketbook. I get down here to the more blue outsole. You get a hint of the white again, down to little bits of faux gum bottom. More that brown. See, on this side you get more hits of the elephant print. Another suede Nike swoosh. That can't really see the bottom, but it's a Jordan 3 bottom basically. All in that same colorway. Like I said, I have my grip protectors on there. You see how these is the old model. The old sole shield. I hope you guys can make that out. It's translucent. It keeps the bottom of your shoes clean. It gets dirty while your shoes stay perfect. But make sure you put some grip on there, because you will kill yourself if you walk in water or snow. Then guys, will look at what the shoe's going to look like when it's going to be on your foot. Yeah, what you guys think of this pair of 312s? Were you interested in this pair? Did you pick this pair up? Now that you've seen it, are you going to try to pick this pair up? Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump.